Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn English vocabulary for absolute beginners. Our topic is my daily routine. Let's get started. Wake up. I wake up early. Get up. I get up. Wash face. I wash my face. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth. Shower. I shower in the morning. Get dressed. I get dressed. Brush hair. I brush my hair. Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Clean the house. I clean the house. Water the plants. I water the plants. Drink coffee. I drink coffee in the afternoon. Go to work. I go to work. Go to school. I go to school. Walk. I walk to the park. Eat lunch. I eat lunch. Go home. I go home in the afternoon. Cook dinner. I cook dinner. Eat dinner. I eat dinner. Watch TV. I watch TV. Read a book. I read a book. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. Sleep. I sleep early. Great job! You've just learned simple words and phrases for your daily routine. Remember, learning English is fun when you practice a little every day. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and you'll improve quickly. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who are also learning English. See you next time for more English vocabulary lessons.